gotta be that bull red I've been waiting for all morning. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh, I saw.
I think I got a shark.
Yeah, I think that's a shark. I saw a fin. It's coming off to the side. There he is. There's a bonnethead.
No,
Black tip. Nice. Nice little catch. Woo, you want to see this one, you got to go on to fishing with Big Mike. Looks like he got himself wrapped around.